The most used programming language worldwide is JavaScript. The architecture of well-known social networking sites like Meta, Google, and YouTube uses JavaScript. Additionally, JavaScript may be used to create full-scale games in either a browser or an external game engine. Python has quickly gained popularity and demand as a result of the expanding significance of data in business. Nothing Python can't accomplish, from constructing machine learning software to server-side development, online and mobile app development, and more. Java is one of the first object-oriented programming languages, if we consider it a programming language. It remains one of the most well-liked and sought after. On June 2022, it is ranked number 2 in the PYPL Popularity Index. Java is widely used in desktop, Android apps, banking and financial software, and other programming environments. PHP is a computer language that is highly regarded by IT behemoths like Meta, Wikipedia, and Yahoo. Nearly 80% of websites utilize PHP, which has a relatively simple and intuitive syntax. PHP is mostly used for server-side programming and back-end web development. C# is commonly known as C#. This was built by Microsoft and inspired by the C programming language. C# is loved by most developers as it is used for making 2D and 3D games using the Unity gaming engine. So, if you are a beginner and planning to learn a programming language, try hands-on with C# in 2022. C# is mainly used for 2D and 3D game development, web development, desktop and mobile apps VR.